Breaking news. The raped 14-year-old girl is pregnant.
Wow! Sweet, sweet news. A 14-year-old girl is pregnant after being defiled as she was coming from school. Woo! Sweet, sweet news. I love that.
What? How can defilement be sweet news? Defilement of girls is a degrading human rights abuse, not something to celebrate about.
How?
No.
A 14-year-old girl being pregnant because of defilement?
Can you imagine that?
No, that's horrible news. It's time we accept that some pregnancies bring trauma and distress. Hence unwanted.
It is time that our MPs should pass the Termination of Pregnancy Bill so that defilement and rape victims can access proper services from our hospitals.
It is time we promote safe motherhood by supporting Termination of Pregnancy Bill.
This message is brought to you by Center for Solutions Journalism.